Hello, are you a coach looking to start your online coaching business but don't know where to start? Well, this ad is for you. I'm running a 2 days workshop on how to start your own profitable coaching business, and we'll cover the 6 critical elements for that. The first one being, who's your target audience? Like whenever you're launching a program or a coaching business or an online course, you should know that who is your perfect audience. You can't sell anything to anyone, right? People like specialist, not generalist. You might have heard this thing before. So we'll together learn how to decode your customer avatar. Cool. Second thing, how to craft your offer. Basically what you're trying to sell, what problem you're solving, that is called offer. How you will be solving that problem for your audience, that is the offer. So we'll be decoding the proper scientific way to craft your offer so that it resonates to your target audience. Third, okay, now we're done with target audience. We will learn how to create your offer, but what business model should you do? Like, this is where most of the people get stuck. Should you conduct a workshop? Should you conduct a webinar? What do you want to host? Right. So there are basically 3 biggest things I recommend. One is workshop, second is webinar. Free webinar, paid webinar, that's another question. Free workshop, paid workshop. The workshop should be of how many days? It should be of 2 hours, 5 days, 3 days, 14 days challenge. So what are the things you need to decide? We'll be decoding that as well, because one size doesn't fit all, right? You need to decode it for yourself, that which of these things is suitable for you, suitable for your personality, and resonates with your audience. There's a scientific way, again we'll let you know. Fourth, now that we have discussed about the business model as well, we will be learning that before selling anything to anyone, you have to establish trust with your audience. How you can do this? By giving them an actual value before asking for a sale. You don't have to show that you can help. You have to actually help them to help them. Right? See, the workshop which I am hosting, I am trying to help you first. I am trying to help you create your own roadmap for the next 90 days. I'll give you clarity. By the end of my workshop, you will get a complete clarity on how to host your workshop. Similarly, what you have to do is you have to give the same amount of clarity in a 1 hour workshop, 1 hour webinar to your audience first. So that's the trick here, my friend. So we will learn what type of value first funnel you need to create. Okay, now that entire funnel is ready, everything is ready, we are excited to go to the market. What next? We need to bring in leads, right? We need to attract traffic, we need to bring in people, we need more eyeballs to check our offer, right? So that more and more people check, out of those we can filter more and more people and then get more and more sales ultimately. That's the aim. Sixth, okay, now that we have done everything, we have everything technical and everything is ready. But what's next? Next is you have to establish your success metric. What is your goal for the next 3 months? How many courses you want to sell, depending upon how much revenue you want to make, how much profit you want to make. So in this field of digital marketing, in this field of Facebook ads and everything, you need to make sure that you keep on tracking numbers. Everything has to be tracked properly, like what is the cost of per lead, what is the cost of reaching 100 people, what is the cost of reaching 1000 people, what is the cost of this, what is the cost of that. Everything you have to monitor properly. Because why I am saying this, because once you monitor the things properly, then only you will be able to improve it, right? If you are not able to monitor things, how will you improve it? It's not like, okay, maybe I think this is not good, that is not running good. No, it doesn't work like that. You'll have to make your numbers prove that, okay, this is the number, it's saying no, it's not good, so it's good, it's not good, it's good. So make your numbers. We have to continuously do lots of testing. So don't get confused right now. So these are 6 critical things which we will be learning in our upcoming workshop. It's a 2 days live workshop. It's completely free of cost so that you can actually get some value. Now, let me give you a reason why you should join my workshop, why you should trust me. I've already had more than 500 coaches and trainers launch their courses successfully. They are earning in lakhs in profits, not in revenue, in profits. And few of them have already left their job as well. Most of them were running their own institute, they were already their own bosses, but they were also coaches who started coaching on the part time. They were working full time somewhere, but they started coaching, and in just a couple of months, like 6 months, 7 months, they left their job. And I'm so excited, I'm a proud mentor of them. It's not just me saying that. Visit my landing page. You will learn about their stories. You can hear from them. All this for free. So I'm excited to see you at the workshop. Are you? If yes, join below. Thank you. Bye.